Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Union County, Ohio, northeastern Franklin County, Ohio, Delaware County, until 1:30 a.m. At 12:46 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Delaware, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbus, Westerville, Delaware, Marysville, Powell, Sunbury, Richwood, Ashley, Polaris, New Albany, Radnor, Galena, Ostrander, Magnetic Springs, Warrensburg, Essex, Kilbourne, Leonardsburg, Stratford, and New Dover. This includes Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 121 and 138. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.